Hey everyone, welcome back to the Cleaning Excel data series. What we have been doing is changing a table of information and just tidying it up, making it a whole lot more cleaner using Excel tips and tricks. Today's lesson is lesson number 7, where we're going to add some borders and remove the grid lines just to make it a little bit more cleaner. And if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to the channel or click the like button. So let's get started on lesson 7, and I'm going to start by removing the grid lines. As you know, with Excel, every cell has this pre-defined grid line around it, but sometimes just to make things a lot cleaner, we want to remove those grid lines. So how do we do that? We simply go up to the ribbon, go to the view section within the ribbon, and you can see there's a section for grid lines. It's automatically ticked. We can untick this and remove those grid lines. So now we have removed these grid lines, we want to go back in and add some borders just around the table and not the rest of the spreadsheet. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add another column to the left of the data by clicking column A and inserting. And now what I want to do is highlight my entire table, go all the way down to row 1000 or more. I'm going to go back to the home section within the ribbon, and you can see there's a little square, looks like a window icon. You click the down arrow here and it gives you a whole bunch of options. If you just want the border on the right side of the table you've selected, or on the left or the top. In this instance, I want the entire thing to have a light border. And now you can see the table has borders around every cell. But just to make it a little bit more presentable, I'm going to highlight the entire table again, and just on the outside of the table I'm going to have some thicker borders. So again, I click that icon in the ribbon and there's some thick outside border options here. So I'm going to select that, and now you can see when you go back to the top of the table, we have our table formatted nicely with the thick outline border and every other cell with the thinner borders. So there you go, a couple of quick and easy tips and tricks just to tidy up your data table that little bit further and make it a whole lot more presentable. Don't forget, we have a bunch of more tutorials and lessons, very quick, in the Cleaning Excel data series. Please go and check them out.